Hello guys, today in this video we are going to see how to solve this type of questions. Generally you see this type of questions in social media like Instagram and YouTube. Now today in this video we are going to see how to solve this type of questions. So guys, today in this video we are going to know what is BODMAS rule. Basically the BODMAS rule is the rule we follow while performing the mathematical operation. Here, BODMAS stands for B stands for bracket. Here you can see B stands for bracket, and O stands for order, and D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Here you can also see the symbols. Brackets indicates the bracket, and order means the root or square or cube values. Division means division operator. Multiplication means multiplication operator. Addition means addition operator, and subtraction means subtraction operator. Now let us see a mathematical equation and how to solve the mathematical equation with the help of BODMAS rule. Here, this is the mathematical equation, that is 6 plus 4 divided by 4 minus 5 minus 3 into. Here, first we have to perform the division. Why? Because in BODMAS first 3 is present. Here first we perform the division, that is 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. After performing the division, again we have to perform the multiplication. Here there is a multiplication, that is 3 into 2. We have to perform the multiplication in the next step, that is 3 into 2 equal to 6. After we have to perform the addition. Here in the next step we perform the addition, that is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Here after addition we have to perform the subtraction. Here you can see minus 5 minus 6 equal to minus 11. Here you can see in the final we perform the subtraction, that is plus 7 minus 11 equal to minus 4. And now let's see the equation. This is the equation 4 into 6 plus 5 minus 3 divided by 6. And this is the next question. You can solve the question and comment the answer in the comment section. Let's see how many members can perform the equation correctly. Thank you.